Good morning. Welcome back to Cleaning is My Therapy. My name is Jamie, and I am starting off getting this bed stripped so I can get my bedding washed. My room is smelling like the dogs so bad. They are starting to shed their summer coats, and they're German Shepherds, so they shed a lot anyways. So I am just getting some baking soda, and I put some in my little shaker container I was going to use so I can get about the correct measurements. And then I'm just going to switch it off into a bowl, and I'm going to do 3 capfuls of the Summer Fling. This smells absolutely amazing. My room already smells so good right now. But I did 3 capfuls of that. I'm just going to mix it in, and then I'm just going to set this to the side so it can dry. And then I'm going to get my linen spray going. And I do like 2 tablespoons of witch hazel. You can use rubbing alcohol as well. I was just out, so I had some witch hazel on hand, so that is what I'm going to use. And then I did a capful of the fragrance oil, and then I just filled the rest up with water. And I spray it on the furniture, blankets, bedding, curtains. I spray this stuff on everything. And I have shown several times how to make this, and it is just always going to be one of my my favorite way of making my own linen sprays. They're just so expensive at the store, and buying all of the carpet fresheners, they're not that expensive, but they just got so much other stuff in there, and I don't want nothing that is going to harm my dogs. I am such an animal lover, so I don't want nothing that's going to harm the dogs. So I go as natural as possible. My fragrance oil is organic. It is good for you. It's not going to harm you. And baking soda is baking soda. It's a great deodorizer and everything. So I got those done up. So I'm going to get the curtains taken down. And oh, look, you can just see where the dogs have been laying up on them. I really want to move the dog beds, somewhere else, but I just don't really know where. But I'm just going to get the curtains taken down so I can get all of that washed up and then just work on getting everything else done.
Right now I'm standing in a corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you.
So these blinds have got to go. The dogs have messed them up. My husband's probably going to have a fit when he gets home and sees that the blinds are not up, because usually I can get the curtains down by myself, but a lot of times getting them back up is really hard because they are so heavy. So I usually have to get my husband to help me, but I think I'll get my son to help me instead, so my husband don't realize I took the blinds down and threw them away. So last week I told y'all my sister was pregnant, and she just found out what she's having, and she's having a little boy, and it is so exciting because you get to buy all the cute baby stuff and all the cute little clothes, which I have been trying to buy stuff for him, and Walmart has nothing for baby stuff at all. So I have got to go shopping elsewhere and trying to find some cute baby boy stuff, but it is kind of hard. I forgot how hard it was to find little boy stuff. But things just keep happening and everything just keeps getting crazier and hectic and busy around here. So, I am going to be redoing my daughter's bedroom, and we are adding bunk beds because we took in a teenager. Is one of my daughter's friends. She just didn't have a good home life, so I'm not going into detail. I'm not telling her story because it is not mine to tell. But we went and got some of her stuff. We're gonna go and get the rest of her stuff over the weekend, and but the girls decided they wanted bunk beds instead of just 2 twin beds. So I've been out shopping trying to find bunk beds, and I found some, and they're used. They're not brand new or nothing, and they're blue. So I'm going to let the girls paint them whatever color they want. So I'm going to take them to Home Depot and let them pick out the spray paints for the beds and stuff. So that will all be coming up in next week's video. So yeah, it's just so much been going on, and it's just been really busy and crazy around here lately. So, but just been really crazy and busy, and just trying to get everything situated, get her situated, and also so much different content we're going to be coming soon. Going to be doing my daughter's bedroom, and it's just a lot of getting it started. It's just going to be a lot of cleaning and organizing her bedroom so her friend can have a space to hang her clothes and put clothes. I'm still looking for a dresser, but so that's all going to be coming up. And then even just little baby shopping, things that I find to get for my sister and the baby. I will share all that on here with you guys. But I am making a baby quilt for her, and I will be making a diaper bag as well for her. So, and I think I want to make a couple of bibs and burp cloths as well. So if that's something you guys are interested in seeing how to make quilts and diaper bags and stuff, let me know down in the comments below, and I will film that for y'all. But I will be getting started on that here pretty soon.
A couple hours from Japan.
And there is Thor being a perfect little gentleman for the first time in a while. So I'm just going to get this carpet freshener sprinkled all over the carpet, and I'm going to let it sit for about 25-30 minutes, and then I'm going to come back in and vacuum it up. And sorry for the whiplash. I'm just moving the camera all around. But, so yeah, I'm just going to get this sprinkled on the carpet. I'm going to let it sit for about 25 to 30 minutes, and then I'm going to come in and vacuum everything up.
Dance with you, everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling.
So those are my Valentine decor that's hanging up on my bedroom wall. I had them laying on my dresser because I was going to put them in the closet and put them up. And my husband just put them, he just hung them up on our wall. So, and I haven't moved them. So they're just there for now. Eventually, I do want to get some pictures of me and my husband so I can put above the bed. I know what I want to do. I need to go have the pictures taken so I can do what I want. Like, I want to go and do some of the boudoir pictures. That's the ones I want to have done. But I am just so self-conscious about my body and everything. So I haven't done it yet, but I want to so bad because I've seen so many people doing it on TikTok and they just absolutely turn out gorgeous. And it's just something I would like to do, but I just need to build the self-confidence to go and do it. But right here, my son is helping me get the curtains hung back up.
It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. I feel like the ocean. I can see you want this too. 'Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know, and I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
But that is it for today's video. Next week, I will be getting my daughter's bedroom cleaned and organized and decluttered. So that video is coming up. So I hope you guys have a wonderful Tuesday and a fantastic weekend. And I will talk to you guys next week. Bye.